Choose somewhere to explore. You need to find 2 golden boots to unwrap another present.
Dino roar, dino roar.
Choose a game. Let's make some food for the ducks. Help Peppa make some food so she can go and feed the ducks. Choose some ingredients and put them into the bowl. Oats, seeds, green leaves, corn, carrots, worms, oats, corn, worms, seeds, carrots, oats. Excellent ingredients. Now mix them together. That's it. Keep going. Well done. You have made a tasty duck cake. It looks a little big for the ducks. Can you slice it into smaller pieces? Move your finger down across the cake to slice it up. That's it. Keep going. A little bit more. Well done. Let's go and visit the ducks at the pond. We are at the pond, and here come the ducks. Flick or drag some food onto the ducks to feed them. Don't forget to look out for the golden boots. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. These ducks can swim quite fast, can't they? Well done. You fed all the ducks. And look, they have come to say thank you. Press the yellow button to play again, or press the green done button to play another game. Choose a game. Let's dress up Peppa. Dress Peppa in a nice outfit and make her some new boots. Look, it is Mrs. Duck. Fantastic! Peppa's outfit and boots look wonderful. Press the yellow button to play again. Or press the green done button to play another game. Choose an activity. You need to find 2 golden boots to unwrap another present. And there is Mrs. Duck.
Dino roar, dino.
Choose an activity. Let's go to space. Peppa and her friends are flying to the moon in a rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Choose the easy, medium or hard level. Follow the path of stars for a safe journey. Follow the path of stars to help you fly safely through space. Watch out for the planets! Well done! You collected 8 stars. Press the yellow button to play a different space adventure, or press the green done button to play another game. Choose something to do. Let's dress up Peppa. Dress Peppa in a nice outfit and make her some new boots. Well done! You have made Peppa look fabulous. Press the yellow button to play again, or press the green done button to play another game. Choose an adventure.